Hi, I'm Dawn with K2 Technologies. In this tech tip, we'll look at 3 ways to easily change the case of text in Microsoft Word. There are times when we have text in Word that doesn't display with the correct case. It might come from a different source or the document was created by someone else. So what are our choices for changing the case of text in Word? I'll share with you some different ways to change the text so that you can have sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, title case, or even toggle text that was entered in using the wrong text. Change case options in Word, like many Word features, are available in a number of ways through a keyboard shortcut, the ribbon, and a dialog box. With each of these choices, you can quickly change the case of existing text. So let's look at the first one. Number 1, keyboard shortcut. To change text using only the keyboard, select the text that you want to change, and then use the keyboard shortcut Shift F3. As you toggle through this or repeat the keyboard shortcut Shift F3, you'll get uppercase, lowercase, and sentence case. Number 2, using the ribbon. Another way to change the case of text is select the text you want to change, and then in the Home tab of the ribbon, look for the Change Case icon. From here, you'll see 5 different choices, so a few more options than what we have with the keyboard shortcut. Let's try, for instance, capitalize each word, or a sentence case. And to try toggle, I'll select this text, and we can see how we can reverse the case of each letter. And finally, number 3, the font dialog box. So there are 2 other change case choices that are hiding in the font dialog box. These are a little bit different than the previous example. To begin, I'll select this text that has the title case. And then in the Home tab, we have our font group. So I want to open up the font dialog box. A couple different ways I can do that. One, I could come to this little icon. It's called the dialog launcher, and that little arrow is a way to open up the related dialog box. But you can see the keyboard shortcut Control-D is another way to do this as well. Now make note of these 2 options, small caps and all caps. Small caps means that all the letters will be capitalized, but the letters that are already lowercase will be slightly smaller. And all caps, not surprising, means that all the letters will be capitalized, very similar to using uppercase using one of the previous methods. But there's a little bit of a difference here. So I'll pick small caps here, and there I have small caps. However, the difference is these 2 caps options change the look of the letter, but not the underlining case of the text. So if I remove that font, I'll go back to Control-D and uncheck this. Then I have that underlying text, so it actually doesn't change it within the document. It changes the appearance. However, these font choices can be handy for word styles when you want to apply a specific appearance or formatting to your text. Which of these choices will be helpful to you when you want to change the case of the text in Microsoft Word? In this K2 Tech Tip, you've seen how to simplify your work by working with the options for changing case of text in Microsoft Word. How can we help you to be more productive? Please reach out to us for IT services and consulting to support you with Microsoft technologies. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.